Morning students, today we are learn business service insurance. We are learn types of insurance. Last video we are learn life insurance. Today we are learn marine insurance. Marine insurance, it means it give protections against the loss causes due to the danger of the sea. Is the marine insurance. It is a form of insurance contract covering loss or damage to vessel or cargo or passenger during marine transportation. All the principles of insurance are applicable to marine insurance contract. Life insurance policy, there is not applicable to all types of insurance. There is not applicable to principles of indemnity. But marine insurance policy, there are all principles of insurance are applicable to marine insurance contract. Then another words, marine insurance is a contract to cover risk of loss in water transport or peril of the sea. Sinking of ship, burning of ship, accidents, collisions of ship, storming winds, sea dacoities can happen in sea transport. Those events make loss to the owners. Insurance company give assures to pay complete or partial loss or damage to ship, cargo or freights. It protects ship owners, cargo owners and shipping company from loss arising out of sea perils. It means of the marine insurance. Another types of insurance we are learned today here. So many different types of marine insurance policies. We are learned one by one. First types of marine insurance. First, voyage policy. Voyage policy, it means it is insures of goods which are to be transported from one place to another. In this policy, voyage is considered. Time period is not considered. Agreement of insurance and as soon as goods delivered at that particular place or destination. That is the voyage policy. In another word, in this policy is with the subject matter is insured for a specific voyage irrespective of time involved in it. In this case, risk bring only when the ship start on the voyage. It means of the voyage policies. Another types of policy, time policy. Time policies, in this policy the subject matter is insured for a definite period of time. 1 year, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. Periods are fixed. A time policy cannot be for a period exceed for 1 year, but it may contain continuation clauses. The continuation clauses means that if the voyage is not completed, the shipping time, the risk shall be covered until the voyage is completed. Then time policies, time is fixed, generally 1 year. Insurance company is liable to pay compensation if there is loss in that particular period. This policy is suitable when quantity of goods in small and also for transporting goods at different places. It means of time policies. Another types of marine insurance policy, mixed policy. Mixed policy is a combination of voyage policy and time policy. It therefore covers the risk of both voyage and times. Particular voyages are for a specific period of time. Mixed policy, under this policy goods or subject matter is insured for a particular voyage and also for a particular period. For example, ship may be insured for a voyage from Mumbai to Chennai for a period of 1 month. Is the mixed policy. Another policy is value policy. Under this policy, goods are insured for an agreed value between the insurance company and insurers at the time of taking policy. This facilitates easy settlement of claim in case of such items where it is difficult to assess the real market value. In other words, the amount of compensation is stated. How much amount is to be paid in case of loss is mentioned by insurance company. This policy is an exemption to the principles of indemnity. This is the valued policy. Another types of policy is the blanket policy. This policy is taken for a maximum limits of the required amount of protection and full amount of premium is paid in the beginning of the policies. These policies describe the nature of good insured, specific route, ports and place of voyage. It covers multiple risks on one property or it covers many properties under the policy. It means these policies describe the nature of goods are insured. Specific route, the route are also fixed. Specific ports are also fixed and place of voyage also. Which place? Mumbai to Chennai, Chennai to Delhi, there is also fixed are here. It covers multiple risks on the one property. It is not cover only one risk for explodes, storm winds. There is not only cover one risk. There is also covering burning of ship, accidents. There is a multiple risk are cover many properties under these policies. Next, port risk policy. Port risk policy cover all type of the risk. It cover all type of the risk of a vessel while it is anchored at the port for a particular period of time. This policy is applicable till the departures of the vessel from the port. It covers many risks, many type of risk. That's burning of ship, accidents, collisions of ships, storms, winds, etc. Another types are composite policy. These types of policies purchased from more than one ship in different fleet. It covered the risk of one vessel of the insured. It's the composite policy. It's a composite for the fit policies. Another one, single vessel policy. This policy is suitable for small ship owners having only one ship or having one ship in different fleet. It covers the risk of the one vessel of the insured. It's a single vessel policy. Another one, fleet policy and block policy. Fleet policy, several ships belonging to one owners are insured under the same policies. Is a fleet policy. Only one owners are insured under the same policy. In block policy, the cargo owners is protected against damage or loss of cargo in all mode of transport through which her cargo is carried, that is covering all risk of rail, road and sea transports. Here we are learned types of marine insurance. Now assignment questions. Meaning of marine insurance and types of marine insurance. Thank you.